Today at Ellwood farm machinery with a valmet 4-wheel drive fitted with a nice quickie loader. Good tyres all the way around. 3-point linkage, pickup hitch, drawbar, PTO, trailer brakes. More good tyres. And in the cab, at the rear, 3-point linkage, the controls are almost like a joystick. Out and show you the PTO. You can see, doing a little dance for you there. Working handbrake. Simple manual shuttle. Moving along very nicely. Mud brakes. Whoa, will put you through the window if you're not careful. Low box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brakes. High box. Suspension, the steering very, very light. Very easy to use. Reverse. Very nice. The neutral. Put the working handbrake back on. Sits in his nice cab. Look out the window. There it is for you. Valmet 4-wheel drive loader. Part X available. Visit the Ellwood Farm Machinery Facebook page and the website. UK and Ireland delivery. Thank you very much.